Every biker dreams of keeping their ride protected, rain or shine. But spending a fortune on a garage? Not today. In just our 2 to 24 hours, and with our 500 out, I'll show you the new idea to serve every biker's dream. Oh, and don't let the neighbors see it, because they'll want one too.
You see, those broken. So guys, we're done with exam. A lot of work, guys. But we have to do it. I'm going to use these 2 points to put top it on here, and it's not strong enough. So now we're going to cut this windshield like this. So it's also done. So, oh, so cool, so beautiful, guys. Look at it. Just in case, save it first. Wait a minute.